Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are diving into these two streaming platform, which is Hulu Live TV and YouTube TV. So let's get started. Hulu TV is great if you want both live TV on-demand shows in one place. It gives you local channel sport and a wide range of cable network, while also including Hulu's huge streaming library with original and bundle options like Disney and ESPN+. This makes it a great choice, a strong choice for families who want entertainment variety without juggling multiple apps. While YouTube TV, on the other hand, focus on live TV with one of the biggest channel lineup available, including strong sport coverage. It also offers unlimited cloud DB storage and support multiple streams at once, making it ideal for households that want flexibility and cable-like experience. So if you care more about live channel, YouTube TV is strong pick, while Hulu Live TV is better if you want live and on demand together. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little bit more helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.